Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this video we will learn about the marginal value theorem. Very important concept. It is coming in the GATE Ecology and Evolution paper, in NET exam also, and any other EVS entrances. This value theorem is very important, which is also known as MVT. So get ready with your notes so that you can write down all the important points which we are going to discuss in this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, before going into the concept, let us know how the questions are asked from this theorem, that is MVT. So question is taken from the previous year's questions of GATE Ecology and Evolution paper. The question is as follows. The question is, the marginal value theorem in the optimal foraging theory examines which one of the following foraging decisions. So I will give you certain seconds to think about the answer, then I will reveal the correct answer. So here the correct option will be option number A. Yes, this theory examines how long to stay in a patch of food. So this is actually called as also patch value theorem for the foraging, and we will know very easily with the help of the simple notes. So let's move on to the next slide. So this marginal value theorem was proposed by E.L. Charnov in 1976. So he proposed, it is actually a mathematical rule, but it is applicable in the ecology and evolution and foraging behavior. So this MVT theorem, that is applicable to the foraging behavior in varieties of taxa or animal group. So foraging means we all should know that searching for and gathering for the food. So collecting food and utilizing that, it is the foraging. So in early days when we were early mans, then we used to go and hunt, and hunter gatherers were there. So they used to go for the foraging, that is there to collect the food. Nowadays we will see in the case of animals that foraging behavior is there. So this what it does, it predicts that animals should leave the current patch when the energy intake rate within the patch diminishes to the average energy harvesting rate in the environment. So what it is telling is that suppose there is a patch where there is the food available for the animal. As per this theorem, it predicts that when the animal should leave this patch. Yes, when the energy is requiring, more energy is required for the animal to go and search for the food in a patch, then that animal should leave that patch and go into another patch where there is more resources, more food available. So when to leave that place, that is the prediction for the marginal value theorem. So that is the most important thing, when to leave the patch where the rate of energy intake is less than the energy invested by that animal. So I hope it is clear to you. And now this thing is depending upon various factors. We'll know one by one, and we will know also certain terms related to that. First of all, the time that animals spend within a patch is called as patch residence time. So कहीं एक patch है, वहाँ पे अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस है, वहाँ पे जितना टाइम एनिमल्स ने स्पेंड किया है, दैट टाइम विल बी कॉल्ड एज पैच रेसिडेंस टाइम. Next is depending upon variety of factors including the value of the current patch. That means how much of resources are present, that is known as the value of that current patch. Next is depending upon the value of the other patches in the environment also, this time is varying. That means where if it is the new patch nearby, then there also they will move to the new patch if it is having more resources. That means the value of the other patch is more. Next important thing is also the time travel. That is travel time is what? If it is requiring more energy to travel from this patch to this patch, then they should not opt for that, because here they are getting few energy. But if you are moving to a new patch, then more energy is required while traveling. So traveling time is more. That's why they should not go to this patch. So more clearly we will know with the help of biryani. So let's have a bit of more patience to reach our biryani plate. Before that, we'll know with the help of this graph finally what is this marginal value theorem. So for example, this x-axis is telling the time taken for the foraging of any animal, and y-axis is telling how much of resources that animal has gained. So here you can see the time travel between the patches. So from here to here, the time travel for the animal. Next you can see this graph is rising up. Why? Because the resources gain are more, and in less time you can see more amount of resources are gained. that means there the resources are in more amount. So here if it reaches, then after that you will see the graph is not going up, it is coming bit lower. That means here within the time lapse the resources are not that much gain. So उतना रिसोर्स गेन नहीं हो रहा है जितना टाइम वो इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उस जगह पे फोरेजिंग के लिए. So this is the point which is the optimum point to shift to a new location, because the energy is requiring more than the energy required in the previous patch. So here what we will do, that animal will shift to the B patch. So this is the point where MVT will predict and tell the animal to move on to the next patch. So I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next slide. So this theorem have two important prediction, and that the foragers, the animals, will remain a shorter time in the patches with little food than the patches with more food. To make it more simple, we have two images, two patches. Patches 1 is having less amount of biryani. So let's move on to the next patch which is having more amount of resources. So here, according to this theorem, the animal, so let us assume you are the animal, so you will stay here for the lesser time because the food is less. And here as the patch 2 is having more food, you have to stay for more time because you are having the more food. So this was very simple. Let's move on to the next theorem prediction. Next, according to this marginal value theorem, what happens is the patches will be abandoned by the animals more quickly when they are close together than when they are scattered. So what does this mean? For example, here 4 patches are there of biryani. So here what you will do is, when they are close together, they will be abandoned more quickly. That means they will move on to this patch more easily. They will move on to this patch, because they are close to each other. So less time will be spent, less energy will be spent in order to move from one patch to another. But here in this case, in the right hand side, you can see the patches are not that close. So they are having a distance from one patch to another. So in this way, in this situation, what will happen? So first the animals will try to finish all the resources in the patch 1. Then they will move on to the patch 2. So they will not move easily from one patch to another because it will take more time. More time means they will be investing more energy. So it is loss for them, loss for the foraging behavior. So this says that where the patches are closed, they will quickly move to one patch to another for the food, for the resources. But here where the patches are in the distance mode, when they are not close to each other, then they will take more time on one patch, they will complete everything, then they will move to the other patch. So this was all about the marginal value theorem. I hope you have noted down, you have enjoyed this video, you have learned something new. So if you want more such video, don't forget to like, subscribe the channel to get all further updates, and comment me whether you have liked this video or not, because it motivates me to create more such videos. So keep smiling, believe in yourself. See you guys in our next video.